Okay, we were having some technical problems live today with staying connected. So we are in Central Gardens. There's Kelly, Moving Monday, and we are going to be listing this house in a couple months. We're working with the sellers and the contractor to do some things to it to kind of give it a more cohesive feel.
Right.
There's a lot going on.
Trying to give it a look that's more like the neighborhood.
Exactly. So Kelly's going to show us some ideas we've had for the outside. We'd love any comments to what you guys think should be done. Got a lot of parking right here.
All right. Hope you can hear me.
Yeah, I'm going to come up closer.
Okay. So one of the things that we thought about doing is replacing this door to more of a craftsman style door, changing out this light fixture, and putting up a railing right here, and that will give it more of a front porch that I think that it needs.
Yes.
And that way it'll a little safer here because there's not any kind of railing there at all. So and then you've got nice landscaping over here.
Yeah, we just need to clean it up, add some color, take a few things out. But yeah, this is what we're kind of thinking on the outside.
Come on in.
Okay.
One of the things that I think that we really want to show over here are these beautiful double doors. I just love those. I think they are so pretty. But some of the thoughts that we have in here are to make this like a bonus room, you know, a billiards room. So you can put a card table out here and play cards. Just make this, you know, the bonus area or the man cave or, you know, whatever you want to call it.
Right. Because it's got a lot of windows.
Yeah.
It does have a closet, so it could be a bedroom. It's at the front of the house, so there's no bathroom or anything down here. So just using it as good living space for, you know, if you have kids, men.
All sorts of things that you can do here.
Okay.
You got some pretty little windows here. Looks out over the beautiful little garden area.
Yeah, and then you can see that Central Gardens is so pretty anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, so we walk down this way.
Okay, so when you come in, you've got the master area over here. So one of the things that we've talked about doing is removing this door here that goes into the bedroom, and then removing the door that's on the bathroom, and make it this more of a master suite where you've got your bathroom and your bedroom. But you have two closets here that are the same, that you can put your his and her closets right here. And then this is the bathroom, so it's got sink, and we're hoping to maybe change this to something like a pedestal sink.
Yes.
So we're thinking about doing that, and
cute window.
Just kind of updating it a little bit. Maybe change out the light fixtures.
Give it a little lipstick.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, so then we would remove this door. This is the master bedroom, and what we've talked about doing in here, this is another closet, but because we've got those two, we don't really need this full one, so we're going to hopefully make it smaller, and then blow out this wall, and somehow create it. You might have to redesign that bathroom a little bit in there, but just making it more one with the master bedroom. So you've got the master suite. Right.
And you can see it's got great windows. They're new. They have that craftsman feel to them. But yeah, that way you'd have a holding. You've got a nice big window to the back. Okay.
All right. And then this is probably where you're going to see the most change. Okay, I think we're running down on time already, but we're going to update this whole kitchen. We'll probably bring this out, knock it out, make a little island maybe over here, and take the kitchen back into here. This is a large pantry.
Yes.
We're going to kind of just rework that. But you can see the cabinets already have this craftsman-like feel. And so we're probably going to, keep that and maybe paint them white, and we're going to get new countertops.
But you have like the double ovens and all of that, so it's just opening it up and making it bigger.
Design the flow. Okay, so then we can go back here, and this is the pantry. You can see that it's big, but we'll just kind of bring that kitchen out into here a little bit more and, see how that
This
works.
is a door that they don't use, so they've thought about just making the wall, and then that way you have more space for the kitchen.
Right. Okay, so then back here is another one of those cute little doors. Back here you get a really nice size laundry room. So it's already got a little bit more of an updated tile, so that's good. Got your washer and dryer. It even comes with a utility sink.
Yeah, there's definitely
some
room
shelving,
to
but
put. I forget what's behind this door.
Freezer or something there.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, it's just some more storage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you could definitely, keep your vacuums and all that kind of stuff in there.
Yeah.
This house is 3,500 square feet, a little over 3,500. So there's a lot of space.
A lot of house.
Okay.
I don't know if we mentioned it before, but this house has a lot of unique history to it.
Mm-hmm.
So you'll have to guess.
That's
on the
right.
Unique history. We won't
That's
share
right.
that with you right now. So this is the dining room. So one of the things we talked about here is probably updating the lighting to be something a little bit more craftsman-like.
Right.
That's a little bit too modern, I think, for the look that we're trying to go for.
Right. This is a huge room, though.
It is.
And if we can open up the kitchen into here, it's just going to, today's entertaining. It's all about flow. You've got the stairs. They did add the railing, which still, once again, has that craftsman feel to it. So that's kind of where we're trying to get it to flow.
We talked about also, because this is the living room through here. So we talked about maybe knocking this wall down some sort, not all of it, and then just putting some double doors, French doors or whatever, to go into the living room that will open this up more.
Right.
This is a load-bearing wall, so we can't knock it down completely.
Right.
But,
and then we would seal up
these other ends.
the arches.
Yeah.
And that would give us, it would open it up more to all the living area. Because this is a huge living room.
Yeah.
But there's just a lot of arches. You got some skylights. So there's a lot of light. And if we mirrored the French doors on the other side and just had French doors and walled up the other arches, it would really give you good flow and sunlight. And then
the doors
right. And then this is like a sunroom. So it's got a great terracotta floor in it. Yeah, it's got like the shiplap. We would definitely want to update the fixtures.
Yeah.
But this is great, huge.
A big rug here, and this uses kind of like your sunroom.
Right.
A lot of natural light here as well. And
So opening up the French doors is going to give a lot of light all the way across the house here.
All right. And then over here, you've got 2 extra bedrooms. Okay, so this is one of the bedrooms here. Again, just changing out the fan to a little bit not so modern. Got a nice closet here. Otherwise, this bedroom I think is fine.
Yeah, the paint colors are really good
Yeah,
that are current in here.
And this is the other bathroom, and I think in here what we've decided to do is maybe kind of get rid of this here, which is shelving and a little laundry chute area, but kind of get rid of that and make a bigger sink in here, like a pedestal sink or something like that. Otherwise, it's just your normal.
Yeah, because the tile and everything
the
is
tile
nice in here.
It's fine. It just needs to be cleaned. Look on the floor, it's fine. It just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. So
Yeah. I know the contractor had talked about just building shelves in there, which would
Yes.
give it more
I
storage.
couldn't remember exactly what we talked about there, but yeah.
And then we've got just a closet here. Just more storage, like linen closet, which is great. Can't have enough storage.
Another bedroom, again, change out the fan. Love the windows up high here. And you got some more windows there.
Another nice sized closet.
Yeah, I think that's really about it here. Now this is really a 3-bedroom. It could be 4. Up here we have another room, which I think is really super cute.
Yes, it is. This would be another bonus room or office.
Yeah, it would make a great office if you work from home. I love this whole feel when you get up here.
Yeah, this is great.
So look at the ceiling is kind of like the shiplap look.
Yeah, it's got a beam across there.
I love these windows up here.
I know.
And you got more windows here.
Yeah, there's a ton of windows up here, so that's why it would be a great office if you wanted it to be.
Yeah, and you've got 2 closets here. So,
yeah, there's a big closet.
And then you got a little one there.
And it has the same window up above here on the other side. So, but isn't that ceiling cool? Thing we need to replace that ceiling fan. Get the modern out. We don't want modern in this house.
A great little room. Okay, we've got one last thing to show. We'll make it quick so we're not getting too long.
And we're going to post videos as the process happens every few weeks. We're not quite sure when it's going to start yet, but we want to keep you updated.
Okay. Out here really needs a lot of landscaping work done to it. So we're going to do that. But you got a nice little area here. It'll be pretty and shaded. You can put like a patio set here.
Some cute lights and
lights. Just clean up the landscaping.
It's a great courtyard area.
Yes. Back here you've got this beautiful pool. It's just been kind of refinished a little bit.
Yeah, they're still kind of working on it, but it's huge. It's deep.
Yeah. What do you say it was? 8-9 feet?
Yeah, I don't know.
That.
It's deep, but I see they put the ladder back. So, but we just think really out here some landscaping, and this would be a great place to have a party.
Oh, yeah.
You can social distance out here around all this pool and in this patio. But this is just a really unique home we're excited about, and we're going to keep you updated. So happy Monday. I'm Livona Monday.
And I'm Kelly Metaxas.
We'll see you soon.
Okay, bye-bye.